Good evening to all of you. So today live chat feature is on, so you can reply to my questions, and you can put up your queries also. So someone just text something in live chat so that we can confirm whether it's working or not. So I hope my voice is clearly audible. Please confirm it. Okay. Okay, yes. I got a couple of responses. Okay, it is also audible. Okay, so it's just 6 o'clock. So let's wait for some more time. Let's let other people join. Let few more people join. Then we will continue. Okay. Okay, I can clearly read. Okay. Hello, hi, all of you. Okay, so let's hardly wait for. Then we will continue. Okay. Acha, in the meantime, you can do one thing. Yesterday, whatever we discussed, it was very basic. Okay. It was first lecture. It was very basic. So I request all of you to just go through everything. Okay. Just read each and everything that we discussed yesterday. Can you explain yesterday two parallel line question? Okay. Okay, one of my dear friend is asking, yesterday we discussed one question. There were two parallel lines. Okay, so let's wait for. Okay. Someone is asking every day we will have lecture. Yes, sir. I hope for next 3 to 4 weeks you will be having these sessions. So basically here we will brush up the basic mathematical parts that you are going to need during the study of physics. Okay, so it's going to be for next 4 to 5 weeks. I'm not quite sure about the exact duration, but yes, it is going to be for next 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so okay, so it gives you a lot of power to you also as well as to me also. Is this for entrance test or okay? No, see, again let me make it clear. See, when you come here, we will start with the first chapter of physics. In first chapter of physics, let's call it motion in a straight line. Now when we are going to study that chapter, we are going to require basic mathematical concepts that we are going to discuss here. When you come here, we will rediscuss it also. That is for sure. We are discussing it in advance so that when we are in the mid of chapter, then we do not face any hurdle or any obstruction during study of physics when some mathematical part comes. So I hope parallel line questions, yes, I got your response. I'm just waiting for other people to join. Okay, so again, yesterday I gave yesterday I was not there in your class. Yes, I will recap the class also. Okay, so now it's almost 6:05. I will give quick recap of everything related to last lecture. After that, there was one very interesting question yesterday. I will discuss, and then yes, two parallel line topic I will discuss. Arey bhai, I will discuss. Now I'm saying. So I will give you quick recap of everything, and then we will proceed. Okay, quick recap of everything, then we will proceed. Now, yesterday, for few basic shapes, triangle, rectangle, square and circle, I just yes array I have already got your query that please discuss parallel line question. I will rediscuss it. Okay, be assured. So let's start. So let me give quick recap because few people might be joining. They are joining today. So let me give quick recap. Okay, now we discussed area of basic shapes. Okay, so again I am giving you the formulas of area of basic shape. So first shape was rectangle. Okay, so this is rectangle. One side length is A, one side length is what? B. Many a times we call it bigger side as length and the other one as what? Breadth. Someone is saying, is this enough to study 10th syllabus for entrance? No. For yes. when you are going to write the scholarship examination, yes, it is completely enough. Arey bhai, you are going from 10th to 11th, so for entrance test definitely they will ask something that you have already studied. Why we will ask anything that you don't know? So we will definitely ask what you already know. Okay, so you will be judged based on what you already know. So be assured, in entrance examination everything will be from whatever you already know. Okay, so okay, now let's for goal 100, yes, I understood. You are going to give some entrance examination, everything will be up to 10th level only. Okay, everything will be up to 10th level. Now let's not waste so much time there. Let's have quick recap. Okay, I am covering all those topics of mathematics which are going to be useful for you in entire 11th and 12th physics. Okay, everything we are going to discuss from basics. Okay, so yesterday we discussed area of basic shapes. First shape was rectangle. Okay, formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth, A into what? B. Now if I take both sides in meter and meter, then unit of area will be meter square. If I take both length in centimeter, centimeter into centimeter, then unit of area could be in what? Centimeter square. Now there is one system called as SI system. Okay, SI, what is meant by SI system? Later on we will get to know. There is something called as SI system, and for in SI system unit of length is meter, so unit of area is meter square. So this is first shape. Now coming to second shape. Okay, someone is giving the example of SI. Yes, system international. Actually SI is not an English word. Okay, it is French. It's not exactly system international. It is some system international, something of that kind. Okay, okay, so let's not get into details of it. Now coming to next shape, if I take these two side lengths equal, A and B are equal, the shape is called as what? Square. Okay, so in a square all the side lengths are equal, A. Area of a square is given by side length into side length, A into A. If you multiply A 2 times, you are going to get what? A square. So two very basic shapes. Area of rectangle is side into side length or length into breadth, and area for square is side length into side length or length squared. Again, unit is going to be meter square or centimeter squared everywhere. Okay, now after that we discussed triangle. Okay, so those who are new, write it fast. Yesterday we discussed very basic things. Today we will go a little bit ahead of what we discussed yesterday. Okay, now coming to next shape. Okay, now yes, these classes are also helpful. These are also going to be helpful for you in entrance exam also. Okay, all the queries in last 5 minutes, these kinds of queries. Okay, let's be focused on what we are discussing right now. Okay, all these query I will answer in last 5 minutes. Okay, promise. Okay, so let's not get deviated from the actual topic. Now coming to triangle. Okay, so when we are having triangle, then let me write the formula of area of triangle. See, in triangle you can call any of these side as base length. Any side could be called as base length. This could be called base, this could be called base, or this could be called base. Okay, I am calling it what? A base. When you have chosen base, there will be one vertex opposite to base. Do one thing, drop one perpendicular from the opposite vertex. This perpendicular is called as height, or we also call it altitude. Okay, we also call it altitude. Now when altitude or height length is known and base length is known, formula of area is half into base into height. Okay, this is applicable for any triangle. Now let me come to one more case that I didn't discuss yesterday, but it is very obvious. Let's understand which case. Suppose we have a right angle triangle. We have a right angle triangle. Okay, so see, in right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this length, this angle is what, 90 degree. Now you can see one thing, that as these two sides are already perpendicular, so can I say that if this side length is base, this side length automatically becomes height or not? Confirm it by yes or no. If I take one side length as base, other side length automatically becomes height. Why? Because they are already what, perpendicular. So in right angle triangle, except hypotenuse, the other two sides which are mutually perpendicular, one of them plays the role of base, other automatically becomes what, height. So I can write the formula of area of equilateral triangle as half base into height, where B and H are those two side lengths which are mutually perpendicular. So remember, in right angle triangle, you need not to draw height on your own. Height is already given to you. One side length becomes base, another side length becomes what, height. Okay, this is general formula applicable everywhere. This formula is applicable for your right angle triangle. Now let me come to third formula. Okay, suppose we have equilateral triangle. Okay, in equilateral triangle, all side lengths are equal. Okay, and all angles are also equal. Every angle is 60, 60, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, every side length is equal. All angles are also what, equal. And yesterday I gave formula of area of equilateral triangle as what? Root 3 by 4 into any side length squared. So this is formula of area of equilateral triangle. Yesterday I derived this result also using very basic trigonometry. You can go through your notes. By the way, derivation doesn't matter, this result matters. So formula of area of any triangle is half base into height. Now formula of area of our right angle triangle is half b into h, where two mutually perpendicular sides are base and height. Formula of area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side length squared. Now comes the question, two parallel line question that everyone is asking. Okay, not everyone, few people are asking. So let me go through that question. So I will re-say the statement of the question. I will rediscuss it. Okay, but today I won't give time for you to think. I will discuss it from my side. From the beginning. Okay, I won't give any time. So let's discuss. Okay. Before that, just understand one thing. See, here, suppose this is any triangle. Okay, I am calling this as what? Base. Okay, I want to find area. I am calling this length as base. I want to find what? Area. So what will I do? I will extend the base. I will extend what? Base. And I will draw perpendicular on the extended base. So this is perpendicular on extended base. So here, this is base length B. I have dropped perpendicular H on the extended base. Again, same formula is applicable. Area is given by half B into what? H. So I can say one thing, that if perpendicular is not directly coming or getting dropped on base, you can just extend the base and drop perpendicular on the extended base. Okay, and you can write the formula of area as half B into H. Means this thing is what? Allowed. Keeping this thing, keeping this thing in mind, let's solve the question that I discussed yesterday. Question was something like this. Okay, there are two parallel lines. Okay, there are two lines. Okay, now I have 2 points on one line, x and y. Okay, there are 2 points on one line. The points are x and y. I am taking one point A here, and randomly anywhere I am taking any point B here. Okay, now as I am taking A and B points, what happens? I am drawing two triangles for you. This is first triangle. So one triangle is A X Y. A X Y. Second, I am drawing one more triangle. Okay, B X Y. So there are two triangles, triangle AXY and triangle BXY. Okay, now I am saying that area of triangle AXY, let's take the area of triangle AXY as what? A1, and let's take area of triangle BXY as what? A2. So I have to decide which of the two area is bigger. Which of the two area is what? Bigger. So what I will do? Formula of area is half into base into what? Height. Okay. Acha, here I am deleting, so I am writing it somewhere else because I need this space. So here there are two triangle AXY, its area I am taking A1. Next I am taking triangle BXY, its area I am taking A2, and I want to compare. Okay, now everyone see one thing, that base for both triangle XY base, is it same or different? Tell me fast. For both triangle XY base, is it same or different? They are not congruent. B could be anywhere. Bases are same or different? Same. Good. Now let me draw perpendicular on this base. Let me draw perpendicular on this base from opposite vertex. Okay, so I will drop one perpendicular on extended XY. Let me call it as what? H. Let me drop another perpendicular from B on extended XY. This is also H. Why? If these two lines are parallel, then distance between these two parallel lines will be same everywhere. Distance between these two parallel lines will be what? Same everywhere. Now, for AXY, what is base length? XY. What is height? H. For BXY also, what is base length? XY. What is height? H. If base length is same, height is also same, then area will be same or different? Area must be what? Same. So A1 must be equal to A2. Let me repeat it once more. Bases of both triangles are same. XY is same base. From A I dropped perpendicular, from B I dropped perpendicular. As lines are parallel, length of both height will be same. Why? If lines are parallel, distance between two parallel line will be what? Same everywhere. So base same, height same. If both base length and height are same, area will also be same. Now, those who have already understood it yesterday, it is okay. Those who are asking today to explain it, are they able to understand it now? Those who already understood it yesterday, it is completely okay. Those who are asking today, they should just confirm whether they understood or not. If not, I will rediscuss. Those who asked today, other should not answer it. Other have already studied. Okay, so those who are asking it today, is it clear? Understood? Now, if all of you are very smart, so I am going to ask one more question. Yes, one of my good friend Revati has given a very good statement. area of two triangle between two parallel lines with same bases are always equal. One of my good friend has given a very fine concept in form of statement. Area of any two triangle between two parallel lines with same base, they are equal. Everyone write this concept. Write it. Yes, thumbs up for Revati. Very great statement, right? Area of any two triangle, I am dictating, right? Area of any two triangle, area of any two triangle between two parallel lines, area of any two triangles between any two parallel lines with same base are always equal. With same base are always equal. Yes. Okay. Now, if I shift this B a little bit more right, will area change or not? Array, basic mathematics will be used so much in physics. So just study it. If I keep on shifting more and more right, will area change or remain same? I am shifting it B more in right direction. What will happen to area? Changes or not changes? Yes. We use it in BPT also. Okay. If we shift B continuously in right direction, area will not change. Okay. Now, up to here we have discussed. Now, let me rediscuss the new things. Last thing that I discussed was area of what? Circle. From there I am restarting. Okay. So now it is going to be new for everyone. Let's discuss. Okay. Acha. Coming to area of circle, area of, okay, remains same. Okay, we have a circle has radius R and let's say diameter D. Okay, diameter is double of radius, so D can be written as 2R, that you should remember. Now let me write formula of area of circle. Formula of area of circle is pi into r square. So this is one formula, pi into r square. Now from here I can write I as diameter by 2. I can write r as diameter or d by 2. So I can write the same formula in terms of diameter also. Pi, substitute r as d by 2. So what I got? D by 2 whole square. Acha, when you square, d square becomes d square, 2 square becomes what? 4. So I got one more formula. Formula of area of circle is pi d square by 4. So you should remember answer in terms of both. Formula of area of circle in terms of radius is pi r squared, and formula of area of circle in terms of diameter is pi d square. Okay, here pi is some number. Okay, remember value of pi is 3.14. Value of pi is 3.14. Many a times just to it is pi, it is not pi d square by 2. You have to square 2 also na. It is d by 2 whole square. So when you square, what will you will get? D square. 2 square becomes what? 4. Now pi is 3.14, and for making our calculation I can write pi as 22 by 7. Acha, yesterday I told you one statement regarding pi. Pi is rational or irrational? Pi is rational or irrational? Yesterday I told pi is irrational. Everyone write it. Pi is irrational. Okay. Pi is irrational. That you should also write. Pi is not a rational number. Pi is irrational. Okay. Now Basic formula of area is now known to us. Now we will proceed. Okay. Acha, see. This is full circle. Okay. If I take only this portion, this pizza shaped portion, can anyone tell me what is the formal name of this pizza shaped portion? Means what do you call it in geometry? This pizza shaped portion, what are their formal name in geometry? Yes, sector. Good. These are called as what? A sector. So what is name of pizza shaped portion? Sector. Now we are going to discuss not quadrant. Quadrant is a specific sector when angles between radius is 90. So we call it what? A sector. So now we will discuss the formula of area of sector. Okay. So let's go for it. Area of sector. Okay. Area of sector. Let's try to go for it. This shape is called as what? Sector of a circle. Okay. These are radius r. Angle between the two extreme radius is theta. Okay. I am interested in finding area. Okay. So remember, formula of area of sector is this angle is theta. Divide theta by 360. Divide theta by 360 and multiply it with pi r square. Multiply it with pi r square. Okay. So this is a sector and this is formula of area of sector. Okay. Now I am going to draw sector one by one. I will show you angle, or I might ask angle also, and you have to tell me answer for area. You have to tell me answer for what? Area. After area of sector, I will give you two interesting questions. Let's see who is able to answer those. Okay. Just wait for 5 minutes. Two challenging questions I am going to give. Not very simple, not very difficult also. Interesting. Means for just for mind exercise, I will give you one question. So formula of area of sector known. Everyone write. We will do few questions based on it first. Everyone completed, I hope, in this time. Okay. Now let's go for it. See, first case. We have semicircle. What we have? Semicircle. This is center. So what is angle for semicircle? Fast. What is angle for semicircle? 180 degree. What is angle for semicircle? 180 degree. So let me write area. What is formula of area? Theta by 360 into pi r squared. So theta is 180 by 360 into pi r square. 180 by 360. 360 is double of 180. So 180 by 360 is what? 1 by 2. So what is area? 1 by 2 and numerator is pi r squared. So what do I get? Pi r square by 2. Okay. Acha, in second case, you have to answer this. This is a quarter of circle. This is a quarter. Quarter means 1/4. So first of all, who will tell me angle of this quarter? If we have quarter, what is angle? Yes, great. 90 degree. What is angle of quarter? 90 degree. So let's write area 90 by 360. 90 by 360 into pi r square. 360 is 4 times of 90. 90 into 4 is what? 360. So 90 by 360 is what? 1 by 4. So what is answer coming out to be equal to? Pi r square by 4. Okay. So everyone write pi r square by 4. One more case I am going to give you. After that, I am going to give you that challenging question. Okay. Challenging means you have to struggle a little bit with that question. But question is very interesting. Okay. This understood? Everyone is just understanding everything? Achha, wherever anyone feels that you're not able to understand, just stop me, just ask me to slow down or repeat the things. I will repeat it, okay? Anyone facing problem anywhere, feel free. Can you repeat it again? Yes, I can repeat it again, sure. This is quarter. Quarter means 1/4 of circle, okay? So when you take quarter or 1/4, angle is 90 degree. Why 90 degree? 4 quarter makes one full circle, means quarter is 1/4 of circle. Total angle in one full circle is what? 360. So angle in quarter will be what? 90. Okay. Formula I gave you in the previous slide. This is formula. Theta by 360 into pi r squared. Theta 90. 90 by 360 into pi r squared. So 90 by 360 is 1/4. We got 1/4 pi r squared. Now, after this question, I will give you that challenging question. 2 challenging questions I will give you. Okay. So first, you answer this one. Now I am not doing it. I want answer. Radius RR, here 60 degree. I want area. Angle is 60 degree. I want area. Do everyone do an answer? Good, correct. Na. Aryan Anand, please recheck. You have okay, correct. Okay, that is square. Aryan Anand, correct. I thought that is 2, but I understood that it is r square. Okay, yes. What is angle? 60. 60 by 360 into pi r squared. 60 by 360 is what? 1/6. 6 into 6, 36. So what is answer? Pi r square by 6. 60 by 360, 0 cancel. 6 by 36 is 1/6. Now, be ready for that next challenging question. Okay? Now, I am giving you hint for the question. Listen. In next question, you need 2 concepts. Formula of area of triangle and formula of area of sector. 2 concepts will be required. Okay? 2 concepts. Again, sir, can you again repeat it? Yes, I can again repeat it. Angle is 60 degree. I am just using formula. A is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is how much? 60. 60 by 360. 60 by 360, 0 cancelled. 6 by 36 is what? 1/6. So 6 comes in denominator. Answer is pi r squared. Now, everyone be ready for this next challenging question. Easy, not that difficult, but not that easy also. What are 2 things to be used? I am telling. Yes, someone got. 2 things are required. Area of triangle and area of what? Sector. So everyone answer. Basic question. Okay. Question is like this. I have quarter. I have what? Quarter. Radius R. This is 90 degree. This is quarter. Okay. Now, I am joining this point with this point. Okay. I am joining this point with this point, and let me take another color, yellow, and let me shade it with yellow color. Okay. Answer is, question is, find area of yellow shaded region. Find area of yellow shaded region. Okay. Everyone do this question. This is called segment, but let me not use name. Okay. Yes. One of my, yes, Manaswini, don't take theta. Theta is given to you. Theta is given. You have done one mistake, Manaswini. You have to subtract area of sector minus area of triangle. You have done opposite. You have to do theta by 360 into pi r squared minus half AB. Manaswini, just check. You have done a little bit mistake. Okay. Now it is okay. Okay, now let's do it. Acha, see, everyone answer. Is it a sector? Is it a sector? Is overall figure a sector? Yes. Acha, tell me, everyone has to answer. What is a red shaded region? Bigger, red plus yellow is sector. Red plus yellow is what? Sector. Is a red right angle triangle or not? So see, I am writing the things again. See, everyone feel. Red plus yellow. This is what? Sector. Is red plus yellow sector? Yes. What is red alone? Red alone is a right angle triangle. What is red alone? Right angle triangle. And today I gave you formula of area of right angle triangle. Now, to get yellow answer, should I subtract area of sector minus area of right angle triangle or not? Again, confirm it. To get yellow area, should I subtract right angle triangle area from the area of sector? Yes. So let's go for it. Okay. So let me write. I will write yellow shaded area. How to get yellow shaded area? Total area of sector minus area of right angle triangle. Total area of sector. Total area of sector minus area of right angle triangle. Okay. Now I have to just substitute everything. Okay. So let me just zoom it out because I need a little bit of space. So let me do it. Let me call this as area as A. Okay. Now, what is formula of area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r squared. What is theta for our sector? 90. What is theta for our sector? 90. So for area of this is minus sign. For area of sector, 90 by 360 into pi r square minus area of right angle triangle. Today I told you what is formula of area of right angle triangle? Half into multiplication of two perpendicular side. Both are r and r. Both are radius. So minus half. Base is r, height is also what? R into r. So A will be 90 by 360 becomes what? 1 by 4. So what I got? Pi r square by 4 minus r square by 2. Minus r square by 2. From here I am taking r square common. R square here, r square here. I am taking r square common. So what I got? Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Anyone having confusion in this? Anyone having confusion? If yes, just say, I'll rediscuss. Anyone having any confusion? Acha, repeat. Okay, yes, I can explain again. Acha, so I have written everything. So everyone listen carefully. See, red plus yellow is a sector. Agree? Red plus yellow is a sector. So I wrote red plus yellow is a sector. Red alone is what? Right angle triangle. So what is red? right angle triangle. Now, if I remove triangle from sector, will I get this yellow shape, yellow shaded region? Yes. So how to get yellow shaded area A? Total area of sector minus means remove area of red region. Red region is right angle triangle. Now I used formula here. What is formula of area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is a quarter. What is angle for quarter? 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into pi r squared. What is formula of area of right angle triangle? Half side into side, means two mutual perpendicular side. Both are r. Okay. Someone is saying, what about my doubt? Lucky I was not, actually I'm, okay, just wait for 1 minute, repost your doubt, I was not able to see that, okay? So, pi r square by 4 minus r into r square by what? 2. After that, I took r squared common. Now, Lucky, you can repost your doubt, I was not able to see that. Actually, continuous chat is coming, na? So many times I miss it out, okay? Okay. So is it clear? Should I give one question of this kind, one more question? In next question, I am not giving any hint. Next question is completely fresh. Okay? Aran Anand, let's not go there. Means let's do simple things. Okay. I am going to give you one question completely, means no hint. You have to answer. No hint. Okay. I am not going to give you any hint. Okay. Acha, one more thing. Everyone write one information. Name of this yellow region is called as segment. What it is called? Segment. This yellow shaded region, sorry, I now have shaded it white. This white shaded region is called as what? A segment. Okay, so everyone write it. This yellow or white shaded region is called as segment. Okay. Now, one fresh question for everyone. Let's see how many of you are able to answer it. Okay, it is completely new for everyone. No hint I am giving. I will directly tell you solution after 2 to 3 minutes. Try to do. R. Okay, this is 60 degree. This 60 degree is the hint only. Okay, what hint I don't know. Okay, again connect these two. Again find area of yellow shaded region. Start. Find area of yellow shaded region. But I need logic also. Those who are answer, acha, if you are able to answer, I will understand that you got the logic. Okay. Acha, major, let's not get into details, major, minor or arc, doesn't matter. Because we can take angle up to whatever, up to 360, 270, 275. Okay, let's not go there. First you solve this question. Answer. Area of yellow shaded region. Good. Prasanti has given correct answer. But be ready with logic. I will ask you question in some time. No. Nimisha, redo. Lucky, no. Lucky, not correct. Yes. Padma, correct. Those who are giving correct, I will ask logic. You have used something. Do you have support statement for it or not? Why you are using? Okay. Now, let me make it very simple for you. Okay. Acha, see. Now, forget it. First of all, tell me. See this triangle. Everyone see this triangle. Is this side length equal? Are these two side lengths equal or not? Yes, the side lengths are what? Equal. So in this triangle, opposite angles will also be equal. So let me call it as theta. This angle is also what? Theta. Now, these two sides are equal. So for this triangle, opposite angles will also be what? Equal. Now, theta plus 60 will be what? 180, because these are the interior angles of a triangle. So theta plus 60 equals 180. Send 60 here. Theta plus theta becomes 2 theta. 2 theta becomes what? 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 is what? 120 degree equals 2 theta. So theta equals 120 degree by 2. 120 degree by 2 means what? 60. Acha, as soon as I got 60, every angle is 60. Every angle is 60. So what is this specific triangle? Is it equilateral triangle? As I just proved, all the angles are equal. Is it equilateral triangle? Yes. And I gave you a specific formula of area of equilateral triangle. Now, very simple. What is shaded area? Shaded area. Very simple. Again, shaded area will be what? Segment area minus area of which kind of triangle? Answer. Shaded area minus area of which kind of triangle? Equilateral. Shaded area minus, sorry, area of sector minus area of equilateral triangle. So let's okay. So let's go for it. Shaded area is area of sector minus area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So this area A, what is formula of area of sector? Angle is 60. So let's use it. Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is formula of area of equilateral triangle? What? Acha, how can you say it is equilateral triangle? Arey feel. 60 I gave you. This is R. This is R. So angle opposite to equal sides will be what? Equal. Arey, how it is right angle triangle, bhai? Angle opposite to equal sides will be what? Equal. So I took it as theta. This is also theta. Addition of interior angles of a triangle is what? 180. So theta plus 60. Theta plus 60 equals 180. Theta plus theta, 2 theta, 60 goes here. 180 minus 60, 120. 2 theta equals 120. Theta is 120 by 2 equals 60. So theta 60, this is also 60. Have I proved that all the angles are equal? Now someone was asking, how can you say it is equilateral triangle? Are you convinced that it is equilateral triangle? Okay. Now you are convinced that it is equilateral triangle. Okay. Now I am using formula of area of sector theta by 360 into pi r squared minus what is formula of area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into side length square. What is side length? R. If this is R, this must also be what? R. So root 3 by 4 into R square. Now 60 by 360 is what? 1 by 6. So pi r square by 6 minus root 3 by 4 r square. R square here. Take common. So what you got? Pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4. Now, I was not able to take your doubts. Now ask whatever you are having the confusion here. Then I will discuss one more particular shape. Acha, someone is saying, can you give example for scalene triangle? I am saying one statement, all of you are smart. Tell me whether I am correct or not. In such kind of question, either isosceles triangle will be formed or equilateral. Scalene can never be formed. Are you convinced with this? In such kind of questions, either isosceles triangle is formed or equilateral triangle. Scalene will never be formed. Are you convinced with this? Acha, you are not convinced. Acha, अरे भाई, both radius are always equal ना? अरे both radius are always equal. If radius are equal, at least it will be isosceles triangle or not? Again, understand. This is radius. This is also what? Radius. Radius are always equal. So at least you will have isosceles triangle or not? Arey, in a triangle radius, in a circle radius, both radius are equal na. So in forming a triangle, you will be using at these two radius. So as you are using two radius, it will be at least isosceles or it will be what? Equilateral. Now are you convinced? Now are you convinced that it will be either at least isosceles or equilateral? Can it ever be scalene triangle? That you can use. Now I am giving you one question. One of my dear friend has given one formula. Today I am giving you one question to everyone as homework. Everyone write one homework. You have to answer in next lecture. I am giving one homework and one more topic. Okay. Acha, last step. Last step bhai. R square common. If I take common, what is left here? Pi by 6. Okay. What is left here? Root 3 by 4. Okay. Root 3 by 4. That's it. Okay. One question I am giving you and it is homework. Don't do it now. Tell me, this side length L, this side length L, this is, I don't know. Okay. L, this side length I don't know. It is isosceles triangle. Angle between them is theta. Angle between equal sides is what? Theta. I want formula for area. Formula for area. Derive it. Hint I am giving you. Hint is, don't take this as base. Don't take this as base. Take either this as base or take this as base. And from this vertex, drop one perpendicular, find height using trigonometry and solve question. So hint is clear. Don't take this as base. Okay. Either take this as base or take this as base. Okay. So base is either this or this. If you take this as base, drop perpendicular, find height using trigonometry. BPT don't go there. Use trigonometry. Okay. Heron's formula you cannot use here. By third side is not known. Okay. So drop perpendicular, find height. So if you want, acha, lucky, don't take this as base. Take either this as base or take this as base. If you are taking this as base, drop perpendicular. Okay. This is H. In this triangle, apply trigonometry to find H and find answer. Answer I am telling you, answer is 1 by 2 L square into sine theta. So you have to derive this formula. So today question, okay, lucky, no, lucky, I won't repeat. If I repeat once more, I will give you solution. So take it as a challenge and try to do it. Okay. You are saying to repeat. If I repeat it once more, I will say what ratio to write and answer will become what? Obvious for you. Okay. So don't take this as base. Take this as base, drop perpendicular, find height and do question. Okay. So many of you just answered now. Great. Yes. Okay. Now let me go for last shape. Now, should I continue? Clear everything? Question clear or not? L given, this not given, theta given, you have to find what area. Okay, for value I told you, you have to derive this result. This is the result. Okay, now let's go for one more case. Okay, trapezium. Now I am going to discuss trapezium. Okay, let me draw how does trapezium looks like. Okay, this is how trapezium looks like, or this is how trapezium looks like. Okay, now one thing you can see, let me call it as A, B, C, D. Okay, here let me call it as P, Q, R, S. Acha, is AB parallel to CD? Yes. So I will say AB parallel to what? CD. Here PQ is parallel to what? RS. Now any quadrilateral in which only one set of side is parallel, only one set of opposite side is parallel, is called as trapezium. Okay, so here only one set means combination of those two, only one set of opposite sides are parallel. So when only one set of opposite sides are parallel, then name of the shape is what? Trapezium. This is a trapezium, this is also a trapezium. Okay, now let me give you formula of area of trapezium. Very simple formula, but acha, see, trapezium is that shape whose area is very widely used in physics in so many questions, and this is the only shape whose formula in general student don't remember. Okay, so you mug up this formula, because I have seen from experience, trapezium is that shape whose area is very widely used here and there in physics, but this is the only shape whose formula major student don't remember. Okay, at the time of usage the formula just slips out of the mind, so practice enough. Now let me give you a formula. Okay, so let me draw a trapezium for you. See, this side length is A, this side length is what? B. A and B are what? Parallel. A and B are what? Parallel. And distance between A and B is H. Distance between A and B parallel side is what? Yes, S. Now remember formula of area. Area is half sum of parallel sides. Half sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So formula is this: half sum of parallel sides, add those two side lengths which are parallel multiplied with the distance between parallel sides. So here A and B side lengths are parallel, and what is distance between them? H. So I will write area A as half, add the parallel side lengths. Okay, A plus B into what I have taken distance between the two parallel sides? H. Okay, this is formula. I will give you one question based on it. After that I will sum up my lecture. Okay, and in the last 2, 3, 4 minutes I will take your doubts. So formula clear? Remember, in trapezium there will be only one set of opposite sides which are parallel. There is only one set of opposite side which is what? A parallel. So you have to add the side lengths which are parallel, which are opposite, multiplied with the distance between parallel sides, and half is coefficient in formula. Okay, okay, now I am giving one question based on it. Okay, so I am zooming it out, writing it here. Everyone do this question and answer. This side length A is 8 centimeter. This side length B is 12 centimeter. And distance between these two parallel sides. Distance between these two parallel sides is H equals 5 centimeter. I want area. Okay. So area is half sum of parallel sides into distance between what? Parallel sides. Okay. So half. A and B are parallel. So let me add them. 8 plus what? 12 into what is distance between parallel sides? 5. Okay. 12 plus 8, 20. So I will write half 20 into what? 5. 20 by 2 becomes what? 10. 10 into 5 becomes what? 50 centimeter square. Okay. Acha, should I give one more homework question as a challenge? Should I give one more homework question as a challenge? But don't use internet for that purpose. Okay. I am giving you one more homework question as a challenge. Don't use internet for that purpose. Okay. See, first of all, let me give you hint. Okay. If I drop one perpendicular here, let me draw this shape. If I drop one perpendicular, then tell me, is this trapezium right angle triangle, rectangle plus right angle triangle or not? If I drop, no, 50 is the answer. Okay, 50 is the answer. Someone is saying 64. No, 50 is the answer. Okay. If I drop a perpendicular, two perpendicular, then right angle triangle, rectangle plus right angle triangle. Is it what? Trapezium or not? So, if I add this area plus this area plus this area, will I get area of trapezium or not? If I add this area plus this area plus this area, will I get area of trapezium? So, write homework question. Derive the formula of area of trapezium. Derive the formula of area of trapezium. Okay. Homework question. 2 questions I have given homework. This homework is derive formula of area of trapezium. Okay. Derive formula of area of trapezium. Okay. Now all study part, everything is over. Now if you are having any query, just ask fast because you are having chemistry lecture right after it. Madam is already waiting. Anyone having any particular doubt? Okay, we will take tomorrow because it is already more than 7. So I think I should not use the time for next lecture. Okay. Okay, that is all for today. Everyone enjoy. Have a great day. And do these 2 questions. Okay. Enjoy. Have a great day.